Hey there, welcome to Daily Vlog. Today we are going to discuss another topic, and that is Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. 15-minute summary. Welcome to today's video where we will delve into the one of the most beloved classic in the English literature, Pride and Prejudice by the Jane Austen. The first published in 1830. The novel has captivated readers to centuries with his wit, romance, and social commentary. Let's explore the world of Elizabeth ben- Bennet and his unforgettable journey through the love and society. A portrait of 19th century English countryside. Pride and Prejudice is set in the rural English during the early 19th century. The story revolves around the Bennet family, particularly the five Bennet sisters, who are all of the marriageable age. The central character, Elizabeth Bennet, is intelligent, witty, and independent, a true heroine of her time. At the heart of the novel is the Bennet family, living the modest estate of Longbourn. Mr. and Mrs. Bennet are anxious to see their daughter married off, and their home will be inherited by a distant cousin, Mr. Collins. If no male here is produced. The plot begins to unfold with the arrival of two wealthy gentlemen, Mr. Charles Benchley and Mr. Fitzwilliam Darcy, who move into the nearby estate of Netherfield Park. Mr. Benchley is charming and affable, immediately attracting the attention of Jane Bennet, the eldest Bennet sister. Mr. Darcy, on other hand, is aloof and seemingly proud, creating tension and Elizabeth from every beginning. The first major event that sets the tone of the novel is the Matron's Ball, where every Singley and Jane mutual attraction become evident. However, it's Mr. Darcy's dismissive behavior towards Elizabeth that speaks the prejudice party of story. Elizabeth overhears Darcy referring to her as tolerable but not handsome enough to temper him, and this marks the beginning of her disdain for him. As the story progresses, we meet the Mr. Collins, the pompous clergyman and heir to Bennet estate. He proposes to Elizabeth, thinking he is doing his favor, but she boldly rejects him. A surprising move for a woman for her time. Mr. Collins quickly turns his attention to Elizabeth's friend Charcolate Lucas, who accepts his proposal for practical reasons. Enter Mr. Wickham, Wickham, a charming multitude officer who shares a troubling story about Mr. Darcy, claiming that Darcy wronged him. Elizabeth, already biased against Darcy, believes Wickham's tale, further deepening her dislike for Darcy. However, as the story unfolds, we'll see that all is not as it seems. The story reads as a pivotal moment when Mr. Darcy unexpectedly proposed to Elizabeth, despite his wealth and status. So, Darcy later reveals the truth. Wickham is not the victim he portrayed himself to be. Darcy's intervention in a Jane and Bingley relationship was out of concern of his friend. Elizabeth is left to reconsider her judgment, realizing that her practice may have had led to misunderstood Darcy's pride.